Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are spray painting ivory flower panel to use as a base in creating a garland for the table. So anytime you don't have the correct flower panel, you can just spray paint it. So let's jump to the video. Today we are doing this flower garland. I want it in purple, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray purple on it. If you have already a purple flower panel, it's good, but I don't have any purple flower panel, so I just use the ivory, then I'll spray the purple on it. We used this like last time. We used this one, the insulin panel under it as a base, and then we put the flower wall on top and just use wires to pin on the sides. So that's what I've done here. The whole garland under it is the insulin panel, and then I'm gonna use some roses, and then I'm gonna use some peonies after I finish spraying it, and then I'm gonna use the thistle and the elderberry flower as my focal flowers. Always when you're making a centerpiece, have some flowers that are your focal flowers. These thistles, I removed them from this flower. I just went ahead and pulled them off and used the wire to glue it here, because I don't want to cut my stems, because next time I want to do an arrangement, I want the stems to be full. So next time when I want to use them, I just go ahead and glue them back. So that's how you have to know that when you're doing your flowers, always think about what you're gonna, that you will use them next time. Don't just cut it. Okay, I'll go ahead and go and spray paint the ivory to purple. Come back. I spray painted this to purple. The purple is not really dark, but it's okay. That one will add more to the finished product. It will add in the variation of the color I want. So we'll go ahead and put on the Cadbury purple. The wires, these wires are a bit longer. I don't want to cut them. So what I'm doing, when I put it in, I'll fold it, because I don't want to have stress next time I'm using them. So I don't need to cut them. I'll just fold it in when I push it in the base. So just go ahead and do this. Okay. The flower panel provided us already with a full base, so we don't need to fill it in, because the flower panel was already full, so we don't need to fill it in. We are just putting in the variation. Okay. I don't know how the front is looking, but when I put it finally on the table, I'll still check it where I'm taking it to. I'll still check it before I finish doing the whole setup. So okay, I think that's okay. I'm putting a few of these gold roses.
Oh, what? No.
Okay. Then I want to put these rose buds in, just to give it that variation. Always in your flower arrangement there should be different forms, round, rose buds. Don't put the same form in. Like here there are hydrangeas and roses, different forms. Make the flower look nice when you finish. So this variation, this rose buds, will add in a variation. I have purple rose buds as well. I'll add it in. Unfortunately they are not here, but I'll add it in before at the setup. I'll still add in some. You see this one, I made it in a line. It was in a line like this. That's not good. That's why I'm moving it. At least let it come this way a bit. Yeah. Yeah, like that. And make some slanting. I can't find my best.
So who took mine?
Okay, and then I'll add this my focal flowers. As I said earlier, always have focal flowers that are different and they are very beautiful in your arrangement. That one brings it out, brings everything together. Always put some focal flowers in. Yeah. So that's it. These are my thistle. I'm putting thistle as a focal flower. Now I'm using the elderberry flowers to add that definition, to give it a rhythm. I haven't as well cut the stems out, because next time I'm doing it, I don't want the stems to be out, so I'm just folding the stems in.
Why are you watching Carmen San Diego again? Okay.
think that's it. And before I do the final setup, I'll check it again and make sure that everything is okay. When I put it on the final table, I'll check it over again. Always check your flour from a distance. That's when you know that if everything is alright, you will know from there. As well as when you're taking picture, the first picture you take, you check how it looks, then you know how it's doing. Thank you for watching this video.